Are you ready for the ultimate smartwatch experience? Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Apple Watch Ultra 3. Let's explore what makes it a game-changer in the world of wearable tech. First off, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 boasts a stunning new LED display. With its vibrant colors and crystal-clear resolution, this watch is sure to turn heads. But that's not all. Its cutting-edge OLED screen balances brightness and energy consumption, ensuring all-day battery life. Apple's commitment to health and fitness shines in the Ultra 3. Advanced tracking capabilities provide precise data on heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, this watch has got you covered. Under the hood, the Ultra 3 delivers lightning-fast performance and efficient battery life. Enjoy seamless interactions, quicker app loading, and a watch that keeps up with your active lifestyle. Apple's OLED screen technology ensures vibrant colors, crystal-clear resolution, and an ideal balance of brightness and energy consumption. Say goodbye to battery life worries and hello to seamless visibility, even in bright sunlight. Health and fitness tracking just got a major upgrade. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 offers unparalleled precision in monitoring key health metrics like heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. For serious wellness enthusiasts, this means a deeper understanding of your overall health and a more effective fitness journey. But that's not all. The Ultra 3's efficient processor and optimized software ensure lightning-fast performance without sacrificing battery life. Enjoy seamless interactions, quicker app loading, and a watch that keeps up with your active lifestyle. Stay on top of your fitness goals with the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This powerful tool tracks your progress, providing valuable insights to optimize your workouts and wellness routine. Take health monitoring to the next level. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 boasts advanced ECG capabilities, detecting potential heart conditions early on. Plus, blood oxygen monitoring alerts you to sudden drops in oxygen levels, identifying health issues before they become serious. Stay informed, stay healthy. The Apple Watch Ultra 3's real-time monitoring capabilities ensure you're always aware of your body's vital signs, empowering you to make data-driven decisions for your well-being. Apple's focus on optimization shines in the Ultra 3. Even small tweaks make a big impact on day-to-day use, ensuring a modern and responsive feel without sacrificing battery life. Battery life is crucial, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3 delivers. Despite its vibrant LED display, advanced health tracking, and improved performance, this watch lasts all day. Say goodbye to constant recharging. That's it for today's in-depth look at the Apple Watch Ultra 3's performance and battery life. Is this smartwatch the perfect blend of speed and endurance for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.